In Node, we have a few useful modules that are built into the core of Node. With these modules, we can work with files, with the operating system, with the network, and so on. So let's have a quick look at these built-in modules. Head over to nodejs.org, then go to docs. On the left side, go to version 8.9.3. That's the current stable release. Chances are by the time you're watching this video, this version might be different. So that doesn't really matter. Just pick that version. Now here in the table of contents, you can see the built-in modules. Of course, not everything you see here is a module. For example, we have console, which is our console object. We have buffer, which we are going to learn about in the future in this course. Again, that's a global object, but you can see that this is a fairly short list. And some of the items in this list are built-in modules in Node. So just that. You can see there are not many modules built into Node. I'm going to highlight a few very useful modules that you should be aware of. For example, we have file system to work with files. We have HTTP that you're going to learn about later in this section. So with this, we can create web servers that listen for HTTP requests.